guess I'm gonna say, guess I'm gonna say.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided that I should film a unboxing, like a luxury unboxing. I treated myself these couple of weeks, so I figured why not show you guys what I got. So let's just get right into the video. So the first thing I want to show you guys that I got, which I was pretty excited about because I am definitely more of a sneaker type of gal. I try to avoid wearing heels as much as possible if I can. So 9 times out of 10, I'm in sneakers. I just prefer sneakers. They're more comfortable and yeah, but these were just so bomb. I just had to get them. So so it is the beautiful green box. I love this box. It's a nice weight to it. It doesn't feel like a flimsy little shoe box. And this green is like such a pretty color. Like I love this green. It is so cute. So I took the top off. Inside there is the little dust bag, a little, I don't even know what this is, some spare little things for the heel in case the heel wear out, and of course the white really soft dust bag with the Bottega Veneta in green, and the same green as the box, which I love. So open it up, and of course I got these. Like I know you guys are gonna be like, of course you got those, because they're like the best looking shoe out right now. So we got the stretch. I believe these are just called the stretch. If I'm gonna put everything in the description box, so maybe if I'm saying the name wrong or the item name wrong, it'll be in the description box. But yeah, I believe these are the stretch. So it is the knitted toe with the strap around the ankles. They come with these little leather ties, not ties, but you just like, because these are super long, so you know you don't want it to hang around a place. So once you take them off, you just wrap them back up and then put this little tie on it. So these, I love the heel because they are not, I believe they're 3.5 inches. They're not super high, which my feet, if you know me, my feet hurt. As soon as I put heels on, my feet hurt. Like I cannot, like, I just don't got it in me. My feet, they don't like heels. They don't like to be elevated off the ground. They like to be in sneakers. So I love how short the heel is. It's only, yeah, I think it's 3.5 inches. It has the net at the back to hold your foot in. I just love these. I think they are so fucking cute. And I feel like these will be a timeless shoe. Like I don't think it'll go out of style. Like the other Bottegas, the one with the, that you slide your foot in with the thick, those are really cute too, but I feel like these won't go out of style as quick. Like I feel like these are gonna be pretty timeless. So I went ahead and got them in this nude. I ordered everything online. I should have went to the store, but I hate going into stores. I'm an online girl, so I just guessed my size and just ordered my normal size, which I wear a size 5 in boys, 7 in women. So I got these in a 37, which equates to a size 7, I believe. Sometimes it depends what brand, because some brands consider a 37 a 6.5, but I just assumed, according to their website, it's considered a 7. But these are cut small, and I should have known, like any like UK European sort of yeah, these are made in Italy. They are cut pretty small, so they fit, but they could fit better. You know what I'm saying? But I did buy a shoe, because I hate returning shit, so I bought a shoe stretcher, which I put in there to like just, because what everything fits is just this leather part right here that's kind of tight, and I have pretty wide feet. So yeah, I popped them suckers in and I left them in for like 2 days, stretch them, and they fit like a charm. So yeah, I'm really excited about these. I cannot wait to wear them. I have not worn them yet. So these are definitely gonna be probably my go-to summer heels. So very excited about that. And I left my other box in the room, so I'll be right back. And because I am like a little old lady that once she finds, you know, like those, you know, like your grandma, like she'll have a cardigan or dress in mad colors, like the same dress in mad colors because she likes to dress. I feel like that's an old lady thing. I am an old lady because I went ahead and bought them in black as well. So all right, so here's the thing. I love all the colors that they offer. They offer like a beautiful green. It's literally the green of the box. Such a fucking pretty green. I love green. They have like a nice yellow. They have a lot of red. The red is really nice. My friends have the red. Really, really cute. Love it. But I am just so, like, I like practical colors. Like, you'll notice that with me. Like, I like, if I'm gonna buy a high price item, I want it to be practical. I want me to be able to wear it, you know? Like, every time I think I was gifted from my boyfriend a blue Gucci bag, and I barely ever wear it because it's just not a practical color for me. So I bought, of course I got nude and black because I'm boring, but I do like the other colors. They are really nice, and maybe I'll get the green at some point this summer. I don't know, I really like those. My friend just got it, so I'll see how they look on her and then I'll decide. But yes, so I got the black. The black I got in a 37.5, so I learned from the nude and got a bigger size. So yeah, these fit much better. I don't know, this little leather part right here, it's kind of tight. I don't know, I guess it's just supposed to be like that. It's better in the half size, the 37.5. But I don't know, I got wide ass feet, and I was like, I am not getting a fucking 38. I'm not wearing a size 8. So yeah, but they fit fine. And black, you cannot go wrong with the black. Definitely super timeless. Black knitted lace-up shoe. This is literally never gonna go out of style. So very, very, very good purchase in my opinion, in my humble opinion. So yeah, I am very excited to wear these. I'm going out this weekend, so yeah, I might wear one of these. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I might wear one of them. But very excited for these. Very cute. Let me give you a close-up of what they look like. I should have did this with the nude, but you guys get the picture. So yeah, really, really excited for these. Again, the heel is perfect. I better last all night. I'm gonna wear one of these this weekend, and I'm gonna let you guys know if I last in them, because your girl do not last in heels at all. A couple of weekends ago for my sister's birthday, I literally switched in sandals as soon as I walked in the venue. Like, I am terrible with heels. Like, my feet, I don't know, I need to get some new feet. Like, I need to get some new feet. I need to chop these off, get some new feet, because they just don't fuck with heels. And I'm trying to be a lady. The fuck? But yeah, super excited. Moving on to, yeah, let's do all right. So of course these bags are recently got pretty popular, and at first I wasn't crazy about them, but I was like, this color, what color is this? Because I got two. I'm such a fucking old lady. So it is the Jacquemus little, this is what it comes in. So what I don't like about Jacquemus, I'm pretty sure I may be saying that incorrect. I'm mad lip. I'm pretty sure I'm saying it incorrectly. I think it's Jacquemus. This is the brand. I know you guys know what this is. It's like pretty popular. I don't like that their bags don't come in a box. Like, your bags are not the most expensive bags in the world, but they're also not the cheapest. Like, y'all can put it in a box. So anyways, it came in the little dust bag. This one I did not buy. My boyfriend bought this one for me because, again, like I mentioned about the heels, I am a very practical, I purchase practical things. I love practicality. Like, I like things that I'll be able to wear. It'll be easy to wear. I don't have it sitting in the closet because I don't have an outfit to go with it. Like, I'm just not that girl. I'm just not. So this color is not super like outrageous, but it's a color other than nude and black. So so it comes in a little dust bag. Let me make sure I don't have no lip gloss on my fingers when I touch this. Inside, oh, nothing comes inside. And this is her. Very pretty, like green sage color. It has the Jacquemus labeling right here in gold hardware. It comes with a long like crossbody strap, which is inside the bag, and it is a suede texture, which can get dirty really quickly. So yeah, she gonna have to go back in the bag when I'm back in a little dust bag. It would have been a box if they would have given me a box, but inside is just some stuffing. It has the tag inside, and then the crossbody straps are in here, which I'm not gonna take out right now. But this is how it opens, and then it closes like this, like so. This is the medium size. This is the medium size. Oh, and the little hooks, little circle hook things to put the straps on is on the sides. So, and this is how you would like carry it. So I like the versatility with this bag, where you can just kind of carry it here. I tried to put it on my shoulder. I look retarded, but so you can carry it like this, or put the crossbody straps on and wear it as a crossbody. That's what I'm gonna do, because I don't like to hold nothing in my hand. What was I gonna say? I just be losing my train of thought. What's going on? I need to take some vitamins. What was I saying? Oh, this is the medium size. So there's a little baby one, which is ridiculously tiny. Like, I'm sorry, but no. And then there's a larger size. So I got the medium size. I'm gonna put everything, because I don't know like the names, like the full names of the sizing and stuff like that. So it's all gonna be in the description box. But yes, I got the medium size, and yeah, really cute. This is gonna be a really cute summer bag because of the color. Let me give you another close up. I love this color, it's so nice. And cover my face. Yeah, this was really cute. I don't have any bags in this color, so I'm like, let's go for it. Not that I paid for it, but let's get it for free. So again, oops. Again, on some old lady shit, I went ahead and got it. I bought this one myself though, because you know, you gotta treat yourself. So again, it comes in the dust bag, the beige dust bag with the name on the front. And then this one I got, see, I ordered this from the actual website. Came with like a little envelope that has inside some cool stickers. I don't know what I would do with that. And it comes with, I don't know, it comes with like the oh, how to return it and the invoice. And the invoice is inside. So this one in white. So it has the gold hardware here as well, so same size. I just figured a white would go with a lot as well. Again, like I say, practicality. Same size, same everything. So inside has the crossbody straps inside, and then it closes like so. And then it has the same gold hardware on the sides to connect it, and then you can of course wear it like this. So I don't have any white bags, so I figured that would be also really nice for the summer. And yeah, so I'm gonna put that over to the side. And then, all right, so I want to show you guys my favorite. This is my favorite purchase, and it is like the most simple, but it is my favorite. So it is another footwear, and it is Nike, and it is the collab with Ambush, which I am very excited about. Yoon Ambush, she is the She is the creative designer for Dior men's jewelry, and then of course the brand Ambush. So she collabed with Nike to make these pair of sneakers, and I am literally obsessed. I haven't worn them yet, but I am excited to do so. And these are what they look like. So it is a which I don't really like this color combo. Like, it's not usually my go-to color combo, but I just really like these sneakers. I love the super large swoosh that it kind of like pokes out and hang off the back of the sneaker. There's high top, of course. It is black, blue, white, and then this midsole here, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is like kind of a off-white. So it's kind of cool, like kind of different. It does have like this extended like bumper, I guess you can say, right here at the back that says Ambush. And I got these from StockX, so of course, you know, it's the resale price. Like, resellers just really need to get smacked in the face. Like, they need to really get boxed right in the face, because the prices that they resell things are just so ridiculous. Like, but whatever. The laces are, I don't know if you guys can tell, but they kind of like, it's like a matte lace. They almost look like a leather. I don't know if you guys can tell, but, and they do come with, I don't know where I put it, but it does come with two, oh no, I put them in the shoe. They come with some spare laces in white, and I believe in blue as well, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, I am very excited for these. Cannot wait to wear them. I got them in a size 5, and they fit true to size. 5 in men's, of course, grade school, whatever you want to call it. And these, my like favorite sneaker that I have not worn yet. So I don't know how it could possibly be my favorite sneaker and I haven't worn it yet, but they are. So I'm very excited for these. All right, so of course my camera cuts off. Like, what is new with this camera? This camera literally always cut off. It's so annoying. I need to just switch the camera. So annoying. But anyways, yeah, so this one is like not my most exciting purchase, to be honest. It doesn't really look exactly how I thought it would look. I mean, I knew it would look like this. I just thought it would be a little bit bigger. And the strap feels kind of weird and awkward when I put it on. I don't know. I just gotta mess around with it. I haven't worn any of these things yet, so I can't really say, but yeah, so we got this last but not least. So yeah, I feel great. I like treating myself. I deserve it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And what videos do you guys want next? Like, I'm trying to make my channel more like diverse and not just have like the same type of content. So what are some other videos are you guys interested in? And yeah, I'll film it and post it and you guys can watch it. So yeah, all right, well, thank you so much for watching my video. If you watched it to the end, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch me and hang out with me. So yeah, all right, have a good one, guys. See you in the next video.